To manage your Zelle transaction history, start by understanding what Zelle is and how it works. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account or credit union. Managing your transaction history with Zelle is essential to keep track of your payments and ensure your financial security. First, access your Zelle account through your bank's mobile app or website. If you have not enrolled in Zelle yet, you will need to do so by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and mobile number. Once enrolled, you can view your transaction history, which includes all the payments you have sent and received through Zelle. To view your transaction history, navigate to the Zelle section within your bank's app or website and select the Transaction History option. This will display a list of all your recent transactions, including the date, amount, and recipient or sender information. You can filter your transactions by date range or search for specific transactions using the recipient's name or email address. It is essential to regularly review your transaction history to ensure that all transactions are legitimate and authorized. If you notice any suspicious activity, contact your bank immediately to report the issue. You can also use the transaction history to keep track of your payments and receipts, which can be helpful for budgeting and financial planning purposes. In addition to viewing your transaction history, you can also use Zelle to cancel or modify pending transactions. To do this, navigate to the Transaction History section and select the pending transaction you want to cancel or modify. Follow the prompts to cancel or modify the transaction, and confirm the changes. To keep your Zelle transaction history secure, make sure to use strong passwords and keep your bank's app or website up to date. Avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your Zelle account, and never share your login credentials with anyone. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your Zelle transaction history remains secure and accurate. In summary, managing your Zelle transaction history is a straightforward process that involves accessing your account, viewing your transaction history, and regularly reviewing your transactions to ensure their legitimacy. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Zelle transaction history and maintain your financial security.